from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk that deep.
Welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen, and today we're doing 2 times pasta. If this is your first time here, like, subscribe, share, and do all that wonderful, beautiful stuff. All right, listen, guys, I want to be honest with you guys. The reason why we got 2 times pasta is because I made too much pasta. So this is what we're gonna do, right? Remember, the recipe is always in the description, okay? So you guys can follow along, do these. These are quick meals, and you guys will love them, okay? I promise you, you will love these. You make these meals, you'll be like, oh my, this is so simple, but also so great at the same time. So yeah, a little sugar-free chicken and herbs, little smoked paprika. Smoked paprika makes a huge difference, okay? Guys, I want you to understand it. All right, so we're just prepping our chicken, okay? Doing it up real nice. Listen, I'm throwing the chicken in the kitchen in the box. I didn't have time today to, put it on the stove or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the kitchen in the box and keep it pushing. Boom, there go the pasta. It was a lot of pasta. You got to put that extra virgin olive oil in there, right? There is some seasoning called pesto pasta. That right there, that pasta blend, that right there. Hey, that bad boy makes the pasta just that much better with the olive oil. But you got to put the olive oil in there. If you don't put the olive oil in there, it's like, what but the purpose? All right. Now listen, we got some of this sausage over here, right? I got it on sale, all right? I'm a frugal buyer, okay? I'm a frugal shopper. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm a frugal shopper. So we're gonna chop these up right here. Just cut these. All right. I'm leaving the casing on it, and we're chopping. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna leave the casing on there, and we're gonna chop all of these. I actually bought 2 of these, but I'm just gonna use this one right here. Like I say, I made too much pasta, so we got to make do. All right. So we're gonna do that. Cut these up. Now listen, you can do this either way that you want to, right? You can add your veggies in ahead of time. With these, me, I didn't. Okay, I did not add my veggies in ahead of time. Got my oil, got it going. Boom, right there. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop these bad boys in there, and I'm gonna let those go. I'm gonna let those go until they're ready, and then I'll add my pasta and dress it up and make it look all pretty or whatnot. Then, of course, I gotta go check on the chicken, because the chicken is where? In that kitchen in a box. That kitchen in a box is everything. I'm telling you guys. If you haven't checked my review out on it, go take a look at it. Look at that. Chicken looks amazing. Seasoned very well. And this is for your Alfredo, okay? Simple. Alfredo sausage. You're gonna go with the vodka sauce. It's gonna make it just that more chef's kiss and all that good old stuff, okay? Chef's kiss and good old stuff there. It's a lot of cutting of the chicken, okay? I'm gonna let you guys know. This is about 30 minutes of, actual getting it all done, prep, cooking, everything. It's about 30 minutes to get this done. So, you got 30 minutes. This is a good meal. Like I say, let it sit there. Put that wooden spoon on top, or wooden spatula, whatever you want to call it. I got spoons and spatulas and forks. But chopping up all of that good old chicken over there. And then, listen, I'm just going to give you guys the product and show you what the end result is. Listen, just that simple, okay? Vodka sauce, right? I actually did put some vodka in here. You can, you cannot. This is the finished product, right? Boom. Just like that. Carrots, little chives, little Parmesan cheese. And then over there, I did a little twist with the chicken. I added some green beans in there, and there go your chicken. There it is. It's just that simple. Listen, if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Listen, thanks for being here with Nerdy's Umbrella. Thanks for being here with Voices from the Kitchen as we continue to put out content. We thank you, and like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys in the next one.